this is Joe from Dynamic Auto Song. This is one of our projects of this week. It's a 2009 JK Wrangler 2-door Sport. And as you can see, we put on the Smittybilt bumper with the Trail Effects 8,000 pound winch. We added the front grille, the LED headlights, the 21-inch LED on the bumper, as well as the top 55-inch with the cubes as you see on the windshield frame. And over here we got the 35-inch tires all-terrain with the beautiful mags from
Rolling Big Power.
That's right. And here in the rear, we installed a beautiful worn rear bumper with the tire carrier swing away. And we've got these beautiful tail lights. Mike, you want to light up the tail lights to show everybody? Okay, those are the Spider tail lights. And we also have a beautiful Rugged Ridge spare tire brake light. It's a new on the market right now that we're carrying in the showroom as well. And we put a 2.5-inch lift here, Rubicon Express. We leveled the rear end another 3/4 inch to give a better stance in the rear end because it was falling a little bit low. We got, what else we got here? We got, well, we're going to be putting fender flares in the future project, but for right now, we got this done for Francois, a very good customer of ours here. So we're going to be delivering the vehicle today, and we'll be seeing him in the future. Mike, put on the lights. Show everybody those nice lights we put on there. Oh yeah, there you go. Bright as day.